Hey y'all, it's Anna at Mimsy's Garden, and we've got some mail, several things. So I thought I'd share with you a little bit, and then when PoorBoy gets home, I'm gonna let him share some other. But we've got this lovely, nice card from Wendy and Troy Davis at Blue Ridge Homestead. I had sent her some of the Cherokee Tan pumpkin seeds, and unexpectedly in return she sent me a card with some family heirloom old-timey speckled purple whole peas. I like pink-eye purple whole peas, and I've never tried this kind, so I'm very excited to try this. Thank you, Wendy and Troy. Now this is the package I'm saving for PoorBoy. This one comes from Mark and Sarah at Overlook Valley. And then I've gotten some seeds. Not sure where they came from, but they are some tomato seeds, some burpees, and they're some of the seeds that I needed to grow in the greenhouse for this spring to sell plant starts. So that is awesome. There are some celebrity hybrids, porterhouse, steakhouse, and Better Boys. Better Boys grow very prolific around here, and that's what the people like, the celebrities and the Better Boys. So thank you. And now, my girl Tasha, she's always taking care of me. She knew that I had this in my Amazon cart, and she had already hand delivered something priceless to me that she found at a estate sale or somewhere. She got a number 7 All-American canner. Let me show you. And she hand delivered it. Check it out, y'all. Her and Levi and the boys were vacationing on the Orange Beach, Alabama beaches, which is about 3 hours from me. So PoorBoy and I and Amara, the 2-year-old granddaughter, drove down for the afternoon and got to hang out with them and meet them in person, eat dinner, and then we came back, and she got this All-American canner at this estate sale for, I think she's told me $20. Well, so I took the $20 and was going to pay her back, and she wouldn't take it, so I poked it in Levi's pocket. Well, she's still sneaky, so she takes that money and she orders from my Amazon cart this awesome book. So if y'all have not seen this, we first saw it on Northstar Prepsteader's reviews, and we both wanted it. So I had mine in my cart just waiting, because I always put stuff in the cart and then think about it for a while before I actually do it. But now I have it, so thank you to Tasha. It's going in my collection. She also had sent me the Amish Canon book, and I was teasing her the other day saying that I was going to take it with me to the beach and get her to autograph it. Now I know I should have. I was just thinking that's a little extra. But anyway, we'll continue this mail call when PoorBoy gets home.
Hi guys, we're going to open up a package here we got from OVH. We hadn't had a chance to get it open and get it on video yet, but I'm fixing to dive into it. Mimsy wanted me to open it since she says she opens all the other stuff up. So I never have a problem opening up presents. So if any of you guys feel like sending me presents, you know, to open them up, keep me in practice, by all means do so. Matter of fact, I encourage it. So anyway, we're gonna open this up and see what we have inside here. If I can figure out how to do that, per se. Well, I may not get that noting. What tape's at? That's pretty tough. Mercy. Alrighty. some shirts here. Let's see which one this one is. Extra large, that would be Mimsy's. Oh, let me turn it around. You guys see that? Good looking shirts. All right. Now I can't say I can fold these correctly, so I'll do the best I can. All right. Check this other out here. Alrighty. Pair of good looking shirts, our guys from Overlook Valley, Mark and Sarah. We thank you guys very much. We appreciate this, man. They look good, and I can't wait to put them on. I'll give you that support.
Well, we came to the beach in Orange Beach, Alabama to meet with Tasha and Levi of Pine Knot Family Farm, and there's a tropical storm. After all much drought, the one day that we all get away, it's storming. So we're here and we're finally getting to meet in person with Tasha and Levi from Pine Knot Family Farm. I'm excited. It's like a kid at Christmas. Yeah. Look at them. There they are. You know I'm filming.